All right. Hi, Yoni. This song was inspired by our chickens.
Chickens.
She likes it. That lady likes it.
Yeah, chickens in the backyard. Just scratching around looking for treats. Chickens in the backyard, dressed in their finest feathers. Our little friends with beaks, yeah. Chickens in the backyard.
Chickens in the backyard. Chickens in the backyard.
I love it when they're taking a bath, just rolling in the dust and pecking at the grass. They all share a hole in the ground with their feathers ruffled out, and they're shaking them all around. Yeah, chickens in the backyard. Scratching around looking for treats. Chickens in the backyard, dressed in their finest feathers. Our little friends with beaks, yeah. Chickens in the backyard. Never even thought to ask where they came from. Then the store, a dozen eggs in my hand. Now I'm stepping off my back porch. When I hear the egg song calling, I'm bringing a kitchen scrap offering. So yeah, chickens in the backyard. Just scratching around in the trees. Chickens in the backyard, dressed in their finest feathers. Our little friends with beaks, yeah. Chickens in the backyard.
Chickens in the backyard.
Yeah.
Chickens in the backyard.
You can name them lolly, waffles, pumpkin, or danger, Oreo, cream puff, or whatever name they came to you. Build my coop from pallets found by the highway bar. My baby chicks from the urban farm biofuel station. And they got some great classes located on the Ashby. And they got all the supplies you could possibly need.
Yeah, hey.
For having chickens in the backyard.
Chickens in the backyard.
Just scratching around looking for treats. Chickens in the backyard, dressed in their finest feathers. Our little friends with beaks, yeah. Chickens in the backyard.
Chickens in the backyard.
Yeah, chickens in the backyard. All right, thank you very much.
All right.
Stickers for sale. Stickers for sale. Scratching
Should
around.
have been in the background making chicken
Yoni G,
sounds.
that was fun. That was catchy. I like that. Oh, now y'all, Yoni G, we got coming up.